Hi everyone! In this video, you're gonna learn how to display and sort database data from SQL querying. Are you ready? So let's start it. At the end of this video, you will need to be able to project data, display data from database according to a given criterion, and finally sort data retrieved from a database. So let's go. What does it mean SQL? Structured Query Language. But here we need to consult and search data from the database in this video. So the statement used to query the database to retrieve selected data is select. The general syntax of select query is select column 1, column 2, column 3, etc. from table name where condition. So column 1, column 2, column 3, it's to determine which column would be returned at the end of the results. But here you can use star to select all columns. Table name specifies the table that will be queried to retrieve the desired results. And condition specify which data value based on the criterion described after where. Let's go for an application. Consider a database whose schema is given below. We have three tables: artist, category, and songs. Artist is defined by ID, name, birthday, and country of artist. Category, we have ID category and category name. And song, we have ID, title, duration, artist, and category. So today we will be working with SQLite database that I found online. I already create my database that contain three different tables as you see it. I have artist table, which contain ID, name, birthday, country, and category, which contain two columns, ID cat and cat, and song, which contain IDs, title, duration, art, and category. So in this part, we will be focusing especially on querying database, just selecting data with select query. So we will need just to select query. So I will ask the database to return specific data. So I will use select from where. That's all. Let's go to answer questions. So the first question is to display the list of artists. Select the list of artists. I will use the select query. So select from. I would not use where because I haven't a condition. I would just to display list of artists. So which table I will use? I will use artist table. So from artist, select what? I would select all column. So I will use a star. Select star from artist and I will run. So here you show it the list of all artists I have. I have 9 artists in my table. Now the second question is to display the list of artists' name and date of birth. Just name and date of birth. So here I will use the select query from artist also, but I would select what? Just name and birthday. So select name birthday from artist. Run, so just name and birthday. For the third question, I would display the nationality of the artist. So for the nationality, which column I would select to display is the country column. So select country, from which table? From artist table, and I can change country, the title, by nationality. So nationality, and I run. So here I have nationality: Tunisia, Lebanon, USA, Canada, Tunisia, Hong Kong, Algeria, and Lebanon. And the title is nationality, not country, because I used this alias. So here I have two Tunisia and two Lebanon, but I would like to see just different nationalities. Here I have the map. The distinct clause display only one instance for each set of identical rows. So I will use the distinct clause. I will use the distinct clause just after select. So here, distinct country as nationality from artist. So here I will see just one Tunisia and just one Lebanon. Run. Yes, that's it. Tunisia, Lebanon, USA, Canada, Hong Kong, just one for each row. Now I will display the sunk, which category equals 30. Here I will select query, so select what and from which table. I will select from the sunk table, so from sunk, and I would select what? I'd select all column. So here I have just 3 rows, 1, 2, and 3. But here the question is display sunks which category equals 30. So not 10, just 30. So here I have a condition. I will use the word clause where category column equal 30, and iron I have just category equal 30. The fifth question, display the list of artists from youngest to oldest. The question is to display the list of artists. So which table I will use? Artist table. And I will display which column. Select the list, so all, so a star. Select a star from artist. Here, all the artists. But I would like to see the artist from youngest to oldest. But here it's not so started. I will use a new clause, SQL clause. It's order by, to sort results. Order by what? Order by birthday. So order by birthday. Let's see. Here from youngest or from oldest. 1960, 1965, 1970. From oldest. Here I have order by birthday, ask or desk. Ask here and desk. Yes. From youngest. To sum up, the order by clause specifies the list of columns on which the display should be sorted. Ask ascending or desk descending. The last question is to display the list of artists starting with A. Here I will use a new clause also. It's like. I will use like to select rows by comparing the value of a character type column to a string. And I will use the percent character, which represents any numbers of characters. I will display the list of artists. So select star from artist table, but here I have a condition, so I need a where. Where what? A name beginning with A. I have just here Maria, Azul King, Sonia, Pink, so I just have A, so Sala. Where? Which column? Name, like, string, so I would use A and percent. Percent means any characters, wherever. So then I have just a sala. If I would like not beginning with A, but A in the end, I write where name, like, percent, and A. Then I have Sonia, Elisa, Maria, Azala. At the end we have A. Beginning A, percent, and contain A percent means contain, like Sonia, Maria, Asala, Raghab. So finally, thanks for watching, and I hope this video was helpful.